have ever had this problem. I've owned two Cavaliers and I've had it happen to both of them. That's where the panel breaks, and the screw no longer will hold it on. Well, today we're going to fix this. We'll actually do two things. You can go to a salvage yard and pick up a whole new side view mirror control panel, or you can try and fix it. Now we're going to do both. We're going to fix the panel, and we're also going to we went to a salvage yard and picked up another control panel, and so we're going to also install that. So you have two options. Now what I found is this, it's an Arendellis washer number 8, and it just works perfectly with this. It might be a good idea to paint it. You could paint it black and then nobody will ever notice. We're not going to do that, but you just go ahead. Now you've got to clip this in. There's a little clip right here, and you're going to clip that onto this lip. Okay, we've got it down in there. Now you just need to find where the screw goes in. You just go ahead and put the washer on the screw, and then you've got to find the hole that the screw goes in, and then you just slowly tighten it. I wouldn't go too tight or you'll strip it again. And there you have it. Now, like I said, you might want to just paint this black and it will blend right in.